E-commerce search engine optimization. We'll have a basic overview. First, let us understand what is search engine optimization. It is the process of affecting or impacting the online visibility of a website or a web page in a search engine for an unpaid result, or popularly known as natural or organic search. If we type a particular product on Google search and if it appears on a particular website, it means that that website has used a proper name, category and tag for that particular product so that it appears in the search engine index page. Page title would basically mean the page title is well optimized. It would contain a proper description, markup and a product name. For example, on a particular e-commerce website URL, it should give a clean and a descriptive detail about the product. For example, if I am searching for a Mac laptop, it should give a proper description that I am looking for a Mac laptop of a particular version or a particular model. Then there should be a well-developed product name. For example, if I am looking for an iPod, there should be a proper description of product named iPod. If I am looking for a particular book on a particular category, it should give a proper product name. The product details should be unique and there should be a quality product image, because most of the buying decision is taken based on the image and video. A client would buy a product on your e-commerce website based on the image and based on the video. So it is extremely important to have a better quality and a product related video and image. There should also be a proper heading and subheading so that one could make and one could take proper buying decision, and your product is listed properly on the search engine. There should be internal links related to that product or the product which is relevant to that product described category. There should be a user generated content. The user generated content here would be feedback, review, ratings. That also plays an important role. There should be a value added description which should be very unique compared to others. There should also be consolidation. Then a prominent add to cart icon should be present. There should be a relevant product image, and the design of your website should also be accessible and should be mobile friendly in design, so that it will help you to display your product or to list your product on a particular search engine. Also, we should take into account keyword consideration. While considering keyword, you should conduct a detailed research on keyword on your target consumer or customers and who used to find your product. There should be a proper keyword which should be used, or which a competition is using or your competitor is using. There should be a focus on each page, primarily on keywords and phrases. Should also have an optimized homepage and your brand name. There should be a social media integration, which means the e-commerce web page or the product details could be shared on social media using share button. Make sure the content is shareable. Clearly display the link to your social media accounts on the home page in the header and a footer space. Header is the top area, that is the top area of your website. Footer is the lower area of your website. People love to share what they just purchased to their friends on social media. So please incorporate this in your e-commerce website. There should be an internal link which we just saw. There should be a page description, a brief, but a page description should be about 100-150 words. It should include primary as well as secondary keywords. You should avoid keyword sniffing your page description. Be sure your copy is original and proofread by a professional editor. It will help you in your page description. The page content should use your keywords 2 to 5 times. It should provide engaging content, creative content like videos, interviews, broadcast, infographics, survey, etc. It should provide a proper value proposition and call to action. In your URL, put your brand name. Separate each word in your URL with a dash. Structure your URL logically and consistently. Use categories and filters to accomplish this. In case of page title, keep your page title under 70 categories. Always include your primary keyword. Create specific and unique titles. Page load times. The slower the page loads, the chances of losing a customer is high. The image size should be proper. It should be proper means it should be in a JPG or PNG format, and the pixel should be 325 into 550 pixel. If possible, use Google Page Speed Insight. That will give you an insight on your page speed. Turn off trackbacks and pingbacks options. Minimize plugins so that your site could function smoothly and faster. There should also be taken into account that website errors should not pop up. Set up and submit a sitemap. Set up a redirect for page that no longer exists. Instead of giving error, it will create more buyer delight. Also, there should be a load balancing in case there is too much of traffic which is coming or too much of order which is coming at a particular time. So there should also be a proper load balancing.